Hello everyone. Enhance your maintenance management process with a maintenance custom checklist Odoo apps will allow business to create, customize and manage maintenance checklists and ensuring all tasks are completed effectively with a proper approvals. Now, after installing this module, now let's get into the maintenance. In the configurations, we can see an option to create a maintenance checklist. In that, we can create a maintenance checklist with a description. Now, in this, you can see we can add a name and also the description of the checklist. So, these are the things which I have added as a sample. Now, we can create a maintenance checklist template as well. To create a maintenance checklist template, we need to get into the configurations where you can see a template option. So in this, you can see I have created a two. One is based on the wood product and also one is based on the glass products. So if it is a glass product, we need to check these three options. So I have enabled these three options into the glass products. Okay, now let's get into the maintenance request and create a menu maintenance request. So before creating a maintenance request, let me show you one thing. Like when you get into the groups, where you can see an option to get based on a checklist wise templates. Okay, so these are the things which we have in our system. Now let's create a new request. Now to create a new request, we need to get into the maintenance where you can see the maintenance request, and these are all the requests which are already created. Now let's get into the one which we have created. Okay, and in this we can see an option for adding the checklist. In this we can add a checklist template. So based on the checklist template we have selected, it will list out all the checklist that we have added. Now in this, after adding everything, now we can do an completion process where it is done or not. So now in this, we can just click on the complete option, so the state will be changed to complete, and you can see that it will be in the green state now. Okay, so like the same way we can complete it for all. So if it is not done, you can just make use of this cancel option to cancel it, and if needed you can make that as a complete as well. Okay, and now let's get into the list view of this particular maintenance request to see all the checklist progress which we have done. Okay, so where you can see all the things in the percentage wise. Not only here in the Kanban view, also you can see the same thing over here in the checklist, how much it will be done. And also in the list view, we have an another option to filter out. So over here you can see how many maintenance or will be in completed state and how many of them will be in a uncompleted state. These are the filters which we have, and also this is same for and Kanban view as well. This is all about this module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.